In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gradebook in Google Sheets. Start by going to Google Sheets in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use, because the gradebook you create will be saved to that account automatically. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, you will see options for starting a new spreadsheet, along with a row of ready-made templates. Next, click on Template Gallery. This opens a larger collection of templates that Google provides, including options for work, personal use, and education. Using a template is a helpful shortcut because it gives you a structured layout with formulas and formatting already set up, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Inside the template gallery, click on the template area that is highlighted on your screen. This is the template selection section. Then click on the highlighted gradebook template to open it. Google Sheets will create a new spreadsheet based on that template, and it will load in a new tab. Give it a moment to finish loading, especially if you are on a slower connection. Once the gradebook opens, you will see several highlighted areas within the sheet. Click into the highlighted cells one at a time, following the on-screen prompts. These highlighted sections are designed for your key setup details, such as class information, assignment categories, or student-related fields. When you click a highlighted area, you can type directly into the cell to customize it for your course. A quick tip here is to work left to right and top to bottom so you do not miss any required fields. After you have reviewed those highlighted setup areas, move to the bottom of the spreadsheet where the sheet tabs are located. Click on the tab labeled Grades. This is where the grade tracking view is organized, and it is typically where scores and overall calculations are displayed. Next, click on Individual Report. This tab is used to view a single student's performance in a cleaner, report-style layout, which is useful for checking progress or sharing summaries. Finally, click on the remaining highlighted areas on the individual report sheet. These highlights usually indicate where to select or enter the student you want to review, along with any other report inputs. Once those fields are filled in, the report will update based on the spreadsheet's built-in formulas. And that is all there is to it.